Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VIRI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the IPO on this one. Big, well, let me take a step back. Pretty nasty opening 30 minutes. Right there, price was coming down, and then from there, it was almost like the bulls were just saying, hey, just kidding, bears. And then from there, just up and up and up it went, and closed right at the highs there. So as far as levels of resistance are concerned, I mean, your guess is as good as mine. It's IPO, so the downside is there's just not that much data out there on it. So, I mean, $17, I would assume there might be some resistance up around there, being the round number. But, nobody knows for sure where these next couple of areas of resistance might be. So from that angle of things, you'll just have to use your gut instincts and use, some lower time frames to try to figure out where some, potential signs of weakness are showing up. But, I mean, that's a good problem to have. I mean, assuming you're along, when you just don't quite know where levels of resistance are at because it's sitting at all-time highs, like I said, that's certainly a good issue to have from a bullish perspective. Now, as far as levels of support, we have quite a few data points in that regard. So the first key area of support, if there is any sort of pullback, going to be right there around that $14 mark. You can see that there is a bit of a, congestion area right around there where the bears tried several times to push down there, but ultimately, the bulls held strong and pushed the price back up there. So 14 going to be a level of support to watch on any sort of pullbacks. And then if the price pulls back to 14 and then breaks down through there, next key level of support after that would be down there around 13.35. So keep an eye on those couple of areas of support. And then, of course, you have, these areas down here around 12. But I suppose it could get down below 12, but that would take quite a bit in the the downside direction. And right now there seems to be so much upside momentum. But nonetheless, it's going to be a very interesting day on Friday. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.